Next page again. I'm turning the page now. Again, I'm turning. These are the question answers for chapter 3. Be quick. Done for this page? This is the last one. Still 3 are raising their hand. Now what? What happened, Yash Sharma?
मैम हमको है ना फोर्थ के लॉन्ग शॉर्ट बता दो।
अभी जब मैंने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फोर्थ की शेयर किए थे, व्हाट यू वर डूइंग दैट टाइम यश बेटा?
उस टाइम मैंने दूसरे उनका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेते पर आपने जल्दी पेज वो हटा दिया था।
I turned it twice. I turned it twice and very slowly. Now you may ask to any of your friend, beta. I cannot share it again and again. Please lower down your hand. Lavish, what happened to you? Lavish, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
What happened, Nirbhay, beta?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Nirbhay?
मैम वो गलती से हो गया था।
Okay, lower down your hand. What happened, Asta? Yes, Asta. It is correct. Okay, now I'm going to set the camera on the board. Stop sharing this. Okay, now the whole board is visible to you guys. Chapter 5. Basis and salt. Okay, so we were discussing the differences between acids and bases. So few differences we have already written, that how they react with different indicators, right? How they are in taste, how they are in feel, how they are in solubility. सॉल्युबिलिटी वाला जो पॉइंट आप लोगों ने लिखा है उसके अंदर एसिड्स में आप लिखेंगे एसिड्स आर soluble and in bases you will write bases are not soluble in water. Please check it out. In bases you have to write bases are insoluble in water. Okay, they give different colors with different indicators. So we have discussed the physical properties for acids and bases. Today we will discuss the chemical properties, how they react with metals, right? So let's discuss that. More acids. If I talk about acids, acids react with and hydrogen gas will be evolved, okay, and salt will make for that. Okay, salt banega, and along with salt, what will happen? Hydrogen gas will be evolved out. Okay. So let's write it down. Metals. What are the metals? Yes, aluminium, copper, zinc, right? All these are the metals. Gold, silver are also metals, right? Which are having shiny appearance, which are having luster with them. Okay. So acids के साथ react करते हैं metal and क्या बनाते हैं? Salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, अगर मैं इसकी रिएक्शन देना चाहूँ, if I want to give a reaction for this, अगर मैं मैग्नीशियम की रिएक्शन देना चाहूँ, मैग्नीशियम अगर सल्फर के साथ रिएक्शन कर रहा है, then what it will provide me? It will provide me the salt of magnesium sulfate, and hydrogen gas will be evolved with this. Okay, what is this? This is magnesium sulfate. Right? This is sulfuric acid, which is an mineral acid. This is magnesium. Okay? And plus क्या बनता है? Hydrogen. H2 means hydrogen gas. Right? One more example I will provide you for this. Okay? Now, if I talk about the non-metals, right? अगर non-metals react करेंगे तो क्या होगा? Okay, don't go with the non-metals. आपका basis के साथ में बता देते हैं. If they will react with base, that is, if they react with base, then they will form respective salt and hydrogen gas will be evolved. Okay. Here also metals plus bases, salts plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, I can give the reactions. लेकिन जो रिएक्शन होती है नॉन मेटल की वो बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, ये जो रिएक्शन होती है बेसिस की वो थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होती है. चलिए एक एग्जांपल दे देते हैं आपको छोटा सा. एल्यूमिनियम जब सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ रिएक्ट करता है, देन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर, then it will provide you the salt of sodium aluminate plus hydrogen gas will be evolved. What is Al? Aluminium. NaOH क्या है? Sodium hydroxide. Okay. And what salt we got? We got sodium aluminate. Okay. Is it visible to everyone? Who have raised their hand? Let me check out for them. Okay, Sujal is raising the hand. Yes, Sujal.
मैम आपने ये सब लिखवाया है, ये लिखना है या फिर समझाने के लिए?
लिखो ना, differences में लिखो आगे. Write down in the differences that how the metals react with acid and bases. Okay.
मैम कॉपी में लिखने हैं ये?
उसे लिखे थे ना acids और bases के बीच में differences. You have written.
ma'am.
Just continue in that table. Okay. Can I look down the facts? So we are discussing the differences between acids and bases. So most of the acids react with metal to form hydrogen gas in their respective salts. Okay. Most of the acids react with metal carbonates to form respective salts, water and carbon dioxide. Just leave this point. Otherwise, आप एक ही reaction या learn कर लीजिए. Metals with acid, that is enough. Okay. Acids react with bases to form salt and water. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं neutralization reaction. Alright. You will add acid into base, then you will get the same result. They will form solvent, water. H2O is the chemical formula for water. Okay. I hope now it must be clear to you. Other reactions you will read in the next class. There you are having a whole chapter of metals and non-metals and their physical and chemical reactions with water, with acids, with bases, with oxygen. Okay, all the reaction you will study in your further class. All right. Now I hope the acids and bases must be clear to you. What are the differences between these two? Another point you may write for the example for acids. Acid के example आप क्या दे सकते हो? HCl, H2SO4 sulfuric acid, HNO3 that is nitric acid, HCl hydrochloric acid. Bases के example you can give sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. Okay, so I think 8 to 7, 8 points, 10 points we have discussed between the differences between acids and bases. Okay, main क्या है? Acids H plus ion देते हैं, hydroxyl, bases hydroxyl ion देते हैं, that is OH ions when dissolved in water. Okay, any other doubt to anyone? I have finished the differences over here. Asta is raising her hand. Yes, Asta.
मैम बोर्ड को थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट में करना है, थोड़ा सा वर्ड नहीं दिख रहा. द बोर्ड थोड़ा सा मैम, थोड़ा सा और बस.
Okay now.
यस मैम.
Do it quickly. Okay, so we have done with the differences between acids and bases. Now let's discuss about the Newton reaction. I hope you guys must have done this part. So I'm going to drop it. Neutralization. Reaction. As I have told you, acids when reactive bases they form salt, and this is called neutralization reaction. Okay, the reaction in which acid react with base. Acid plus base gives us salt plus water. This is neutralization reaction. Some heat is always evolved. Evolved means बाहर आती है, produce होती है, निकलती है. Okay, so some heat is evolved in this reaction, neutralization reaction, and ये जो heat evolve हुई है plus heat. Okay, what you are getting in the product, some heat also, and that heat will this heat will do, it will raise the temperature. Okay, जिससे कि जो reaction का जो mixture है here what we will get, it will be hot. Okay, so neutralization, acid plus base gives salt, water plus heat. Okay, neutralization reaction जो है वो हमेशा एसिड्स और बेसिस के बीच में होती है. अगर मैं डाइल्यूट एसिड और बेस के बीच में सिंपल सी रिएक्शन कर रहा हूं, अगर मैं HCl की रिएक्शन कर रहा हूं NaOH से, दैट इज सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, देन what I will get NaCl. ये NaCl के साथ में आ जाएगा प्लस I will get water plus heat. Okay, NaCl H2O. What is this? Hydrochloric acid. What is this? Sodium hydroxide. What is this? Sodium chloride. This is water. आपको पता होना चाहिए the formula for hydrochloric acid is HCl, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Na is sodium and OH is hydroxyl ion. Okay, so this is the neutralization reaction, right? हमने जो phenolphthalein indicator की बात की थी, then I told you that phenolphthalein indicator is colorless, right? And it turns pink for acid and have no effect on the basis. Sorry, basis को pick कर देता है, no effect on acids. ठीक है? So for that also one activity is being provided in your book. All right. As we are not having, I'll show you a video for this neutralization reaction. So let's check out for the video and then we will discuss about the properties of salt. What are the properties of salt? Salt हमेशा solid state में रहता है. Okay. After that, salts are the good conductor of electricity. You know, water is a very good conductor of electricity. That's why अगर कहीं पर short circuit से आग लगे, then we don't use water over there, right? वहाँ आग बुझाने के लिए हम पानी का यूज नहीं करते, है ना? Most of you must have made the experiments, done have experiments कि water के अंदर electricity conduct होती है या नहीं. But अगर आप उसमें होती है, but if you will put a little bit salt in it, उसकी conductivity increase हो जाती है. Okay, so salt solution are very good conductors of electricity. Salts are mostly soluble in water, घुल जाते हैं, and have high melting and boiling points with them. Okay. Now, where we are using this neutralization reaction in our daily life, कहाँ use करते हैं? First, we use them in indigestion. You know, in our stomach, hydrochloric acid is being released, right? So, if you have not eaten anything since morning, then too the hydrochloric acid will keep on releasing in your stomach. And what will happen to, after a few hours, you will feel acidity, right? क्योंकि आपके stomach में hydrochloric acid बहुत सारा release हो गया है, but there is no food to digest it. Okay, so in that case, what we do, we used to take bases. Eno जो आप पीते हैं, या फिर आप जो एंटी एसिड टैबलेट्स लेते हैं, like Rentec, Renidom, what are these? These are having bases in them. Acid and bases जब मिल जाते हैं तो वो salt बना देते हैं, and then you will feel relaxed. Okay, so magnesium hydroxide, ये मैंने आपको बेस बताया है, it's a very good anti acid, right? जो डाइजीन और ये टैबलेट्स होती हैं उनके अंदर मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड होता है, and it's a good base. एसिड के साथ, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के साथ लेके और ये सॉल्ट बना लेता है, and we feel relaxed from acidity. Okay, it is also called milk of magnesia. What this magnesium hydroxide solution is called, it is called milk of magnesia. It contains magnesium hydroxide, which is a weak base. Okay, it will help us to neutralize the effect of excessive acid which is being released into our stomach. Okay, next is soil treatment. You know, plants cannot grow neither they can grow in the acidic soil nor they can grow in the basic soil. So what the plants actually need the neutralized soil, right? ना ज़्यादा acidic होनी चाहिए ना basic होनी चाहिए. Alright, plants neutral soil के अंदर grow करते हैं. तो अगर soil acidic हो गई है तब भी हमें उसकी acidity कम करनी पड़ती है ना? उसके लिए हम उसमें bases मिला लेते हैं. इस तरह के बेसिस मिला के आप उसके अंदर कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड CaO, calcium oxide you can add up in that. Okay, what is calcium oxide? You can when you will add calcium oxide into the acid into the soil, या फिर स्लेट कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड भी मिला सकते हो, CaOH का whole twice calcium hydroxide also you can add in that. What will these bases do? These bases will add up with acids and soil को neutral बना देंगे. Salt बन जाएगा acid and base मिला के, soil will become neutral. If your the decaying organic matter is added to the soil when it is too basic, जब soil बहुत ज़्यादा basic हो गई हो, base add हो गया उसके अंदर, तो आप क्या डालोगे उसके अंदर? Manure. What is manure? Manure is the organic matter. कैसे बनता है manure? By the decaying of plants and the animals. The red and decaying matter of plants and animals get decomposed and converted into manure. Okay, so manure release acids which neutralize the basic nature of the soil, and then plants will be able to grow into that soil properly. Okay, now ants and bees sting. You know what the ants are having? They are also having acid in their sting. फॉर्मिक एसिड होता है, चींटी और जब काटती है ना तो आपका रेड रेड हो जाता है, राइट? व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग एसिड्स इन देम. Let me check out for the time. Okay, the time is about to over. Just let me finish this topic. Okay, and a video regarding neutralization reaction I will show you in my next class. So I was talking about the ants and bees sting. So जब आपको कोई ant या मधुमक्खी काटती है, then उनकी जो sting होता है उसके अंदर फॉर्मिक एसिड होता है. ओके, तो जब भी ऐसा हो तो हमें उसके ऊपर बेकिंग सोडा रब करना चाहिए. बेकिंग सोडा all of us are having at our home. It's a normal thing. Okay, so बेकिंग सोडा क्या है? बेस है. एसिड और बेस मिला के न्यूट्रलाइज कर देगा एंड यू विल फील रिलैक्स्ड. ओके, या फिर हम कैलामाइन सॉल्यूशन भी आता है उसको भी यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो व्हेन एनी बी बाइट अस देन व्हाट वी शुड डू? वी शुड पुट बेकिंग सोडा ऑन आवर स्किन. ओके, क्योंकि उसकी वजह से फॉर्मिक एसिड की वजह से बर्निंग होता है, स्वेलिंग आ जाता है. ओके, तो हम इसको कैसे न्यूट्रलाइज कर सकते हैं? बेकिंग सोडा को रैप करके या फिर कैलामाइन सॉल्यूशन लगा के. सो बीइंग अ बेस, बेकिंग सोडा सॉल्यूशन या कैलामाइन सॉल्यूशन क्या करेगा? फॉर्मिक एसिड को एसिड और बेस मिला के न्यूट्रलाइज कर देगा. ओके, एंड द पर्सन विल फील रिलैक्स्ड. ओके, फैक्ट्री वेस्ट सब्सटेंसेस जो फैक्ट्री से निकलते हैं उनके अंदर बहुत सारे एसिड होते हैं. सो वी शुड नॉट थ्रो देम इनटू द वाटर बॉडीज अनट्रीटेड. पहले हमें उन्हें ट्रीट करना चाहिए, उन्हें न्यूट्रलाइज करना चाहिए. Then only we should allow them to go into the water bodies. Otherwise, all the water bodies will get polluted. Okay, they should be treated with the basic. क्योंकि मैंने क्या बोला? They contain acid. तो उनको किसके साथ reaction कराओगे? Bases के साथ. So salt बन जाएगा. Okay, neutralize हो जाएंगे acids क्योंकि उस base में water के अंदर है, and then no water body will be polluted. Okay. Is it clear? According to me, this chapter is finished now. We will discuss the question answers in our next class. Please find out the question answers and read out the chapter. If you are having any doubts, let me know. I will clear your doubts. Yes, Astha?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you please make an explanation video on this chapter for
Want
YouTube?
me an
जैसे
explanation
chapter
video?
1 and 2 का, जैसे chapter 1
Sorry?
and 2 का बनाया था.
Is it not clear?
मैंने कुछ समझ में नहीं आता मुझे.
I will try my best. Okay?
So can you make the video?
I will try. I will
Okay,
let you.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much. I'm having another class, so I'm leaving. Thanks a lot for today's class. Have a nice day, everyone.